Local Buy is the Local Government Association of Queensland's procurement services company. ZETTA was engaged to deliver SharePoint Online expertise and project services during their migration to Office 365. Local Buy, like many organisations, were experiencing issues with their file server document storage. Silos of information, duplication and deep folder structures that, unless you were the one that created them, were difficult to make sense of. Consistency around document templates was lacking, with an array of different starting points for document creation. It is easy to approach SharePoint with traditional file server thinking, the end result of which can mean recreating the same problems in SharePoint that currently exist in most file servers. With a focus on keeping it simple for end users, our challenge was to unlock the way information moves throughout the Local Buy organisation. We conducted stakeholder workshops to elicit requirements for the Local Buy intranet. These workshops explored Local Buy's business goals and individual stakeholder goals, key areas of information, and how Local Buy wanted the intranet to support their organisation in these areas. Local Buy's core capabilities, business functions, user groups and required permissions, different types of content, and how users would ideally interact with, classify, and label them. Priorities regarding the interface elements such as the homepage and site navigation, and how these findings would best fit together to form a blueprint for the intranet build. The solution? A solid foundation on SharePoint Online, an intranet that the Local Buy team feels reflects them with functional areas that they understand and can quickly start using. A SharePoint Site Architecture that maps information to Local Buy's business functions and key processes, user group and permission structures that make sure team members can get to the information they need without seeing anything that they're not meant to have access to, libraries where users can store documents and tag them in a manner that makes it easy for them to sort, group and filter key information, content types that enable users to create new documents from endorsed templates and capture the metadata that helps classify their information, page views and navigation links that help users navigate efficiently throughout the site and find what they are after. Focused training for stakeholders and on-site training for the team to help the transition to a new platform and improve user adoption. The transition to SharePoint Online gave Local Buy an opportunity to strategically plan an information architecture for the files and documents that they use every day. The end result is a well-planned intranet that takes into consideration core business functions, considers the way that people and processes interact, and what information is needed along the way.